Hello friends, how are you all? Hope you are doing great. Today I'm going to review a very special product which is very relevant in today's circumstances, especially keeping in mind the air pollution that all large and small cities are facing across India. This is Sharp Air Purifier, and today I'm going to describe my experience with this purifier. I bought this from Amazon approximately 3 months back, and since then I'm regularly using it, and I will be sharing my review feedback, my experience, how it works, what is the ease of operation. I'm going to share it with all of you so that you could understand more about the product and take a informed decision before buying. So one very unique feature of this air purifier is plasma cluster technology that Sharp uses. So this technology creates ions, plasma ions, which helps to reduce or in certain cases completely eliminate any smell from your room. Very importantly, this product is very easy to operate, and it comes with a two pin power cord. Okay, so this is the back side of the Sharp air purifier, and as you can see outside, this is the first layer. This is netted, so this is a fine net, and it kind of captures any large dust particles here itself. So once you take out that cover, so it's very easy with these two notches given both sides of this cover. You can take it out, and you can see that dust particle already deposited. I'm not sure whether in the camera you can see this, but there are minor dust particles which is visible in the naked eye. And then inside you have a carbon filter, and behind the carbon filter you have the HEPA filter, and it uses the latest HEPA filter to protect you from all sorts of dust particle, and it can filter up to PM 2 and 2.5 and below dust particle. So which is a great feature in itself. Okay, fixing back the cover is very easy. You have to make sure that you put it back into the following slot, and then just push it back. Okay, it got properly fitted. I will now show you how to operate this. As you can see, the cable has been plugged, and it is very easy to operate. You just need to click on the power button, and it starts its operation. Inside there is a blue light which you can see, and you can see that I'm running it now in medium speed. If I want to increase it, I will press it once more, and I don't know whether you can hear it out. The fan speed has got increased, and you can hear the fan quite clearly from outside. So this is similar to the haze. So when you click on haze, actually the top fan speed modes get auto selected, which helps to clear your room faster. Now let me bring it down to auto mode. So auto mode automatically senses, and accordingly it reduces the fan speed Here you can see the two colors. So the left side color indicates that the ion filter, that is the plasma cluster, is operating, and the right side color, if it is orangish yellow, it means that there is dust. It will turn into green as soon as the dust particle gets absorbed by this purifier. So in ideal situation, this side will remain in blue and this side of light will remain in green. And if it is blinking, now as it is being shown currently, that means there are dust particles. Now you can see that it has turned into green again, which indicates pure air. To switch it off, you just need to press the power button again. Thanks for watching this video. This is all about this Sharp Air Purifier. I will be sharing the link in the description of this video, and you can get into the link to find out the details of the product from the site. This product, as I mentioned, comes just under 10,000 rupees, and at this price I consider this a very value for money buy. So I would definitely recommend this for all the viewers who are staying in cities and suffering from pollution. Thank you very much. Keep watching, subscribe, share and like. Thank you.
So friends, I hope you like this video. This machine is really very helpful. I am using this for the past few days and really this helped us a lot, especially during this pollution time. It's very portable. You can keep it in anywhere in your room, either in the corner or on the top of any almirah, etc. Like this, you will get many more reviews in my channel. Till then, please stay tuned with us and live every moment and love every day. Bye-bye.